Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint in this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to find the security option. Now let's pick the fingerprint simply. And as you can see, this is actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be quite confusing because here we have to choose a screen lock. Let me explain that. You will not be able to add the fingerprint without adding the backup screen lock method because sometimes if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will not be able to unlock your device if you will have only the fingerprint set. So it is, as I said, kind of a backup lock method, and thanks to this you will be able to unlock your device and you won't have to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So you really have to do it right now because, as I said, your device will not allow you to add the fingerprint. Of course, if you've got one currently set, so you've got the pattern pin or password, whatever, your device will simply transfer you to another step. So let me pick the pattern, let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And here you have to decide what kind of notifications you'd like to show on the lock screen. So it's totally up to you. Just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked and tap on done. And here we've got the information about the fingerprint itself. So how it works, that you're in control, so you can delete the fingerprints and so on and so on. So so kind of a lot of technical info. So just tap on I agree. And here we've got the instruction, we've got the animation of how to set up the fingerprint. As you can see, we've got the fingerprint icon somewhere here, which simply means that we've got the sensor under the screen. So just tap on start. And as I said, here we've got the sensor. And now all we have to do is to simply put our finger on the sensor and do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. And I can see that we've got some problems because for some reason it cannot process my fingerprint, but let's try to add it. Okay, finally we've got it. So we just successfully added the fingerprint. You can add another if you want to, if not, just tap on done. And let's take a look if we've got some more options connected with the fingerprint. Let's tap on it and enter the password. And as you can see, here we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it here or rename it. So we can just tap on it and rename it just like you want to. You can add another fingerprint and you can decide if you want to show the icon when the screen is off. And it's totally up to you if you want to keep it turned on or off. Alright, and that's all. Enough of talking. Let's lock the device and let's try to unlock it with the fingerprint. So we will be able to check if it works and why we cannot see the fingerprint sensor here. But let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device has been unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.